Okay, example 3 kind of has the same scenario as the last one does. We have a binomial being multiplied by 2x squared y. Again, let me just reiterate this, make sure everybody hears me clearly when I say this. Even though this is on the right-hand side, do that multiplication first. Always go to the farthest one over, the one within this parentheses, the one furthest left inside the parentheses. Always do that multiplication first. I've seen people want to go to this one first, that one second. They get it backwards. They get the minus sign in the wrong place. Bad things happen. So always, whether this is on the right or left side, this single object, always go to the leftmost object in the parentheses when you multiply. 2x squared y times ay, and then 2x squared y times 4y to the 5th. And it's always, this is a multiplication happening here, so it's always object outside times object inside. And again, the signs are dictated by the objects that we're multiplying. Positive times positive makes a positive. Positive times negative makes a negative. Just like the last problems, we've got terms here. This is term 1. What's wrong with term 1, Parker? This one here circled.
There isn't an A to go with.
Okay, use the words too many to describe the problem with the first object. There's too many what?
There's too many.
What letters are twice?
No, there's too many Y's.
Too many y's, right? So we're supposed to have one of each letter, power is positive, so there's too many y's. So 2 is perfectly fine, a is perfectly fine, x squared is perfectly fine, y times y makes y squared. Every time you're looking at these objects, one of each letter is what should be on your mind once you've done the distributive property. Okay? And let's go with Kim. What's wrong with the second term?
Too many Y's.
Anything else?
Too many numbers.
Too many numbers, all right? So dealing with the numbers first, what's 2 times 4?
8.
8. And dealing with the letters, x squared is fine. There's too many y's, as Kim said.
1 to 6.
1 plus 5 makes 6. So 2ax squared y squared minus 8x squared y to the 6th. Once again, looking for the possibility of like terms, because all we have left now is subtraction. A has it, this has a, that doesn't have a, so it can't even subtract because the a's don't match. X's don't have, x's have the same power, but y's don't. So again, every single letter has to be the same with the same powers on each letter. That doesn't happen there, so the end on that.